Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from pocket options to bank account. So if you want to withdraw money from your pocket option account to your bank account, here's how you can get it. Then the first thing you have to do is open up the pocket option trading app on your phone by just tapping on the app icon on your home screen, or just go to your web browser and type in pocketoption.com. then it take you down to the website, or if you have the mobile app on your phone, just access it. So I'm just going to use the mobile option. I'm going to use the mobile app on the phone, so I'm just going to tap on the mobile app, which is a pocket option app. So once you open it, you see the first home page, which is a trading platform. Then from there you tap on the name icon. You see a image profile icon at the left top corner. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, then you make sure that you are on live trading. So once you're on live trading, you just tap on finance. Once you tap on finance, then from there you have access to withdraw. Tap on the withdraw button, or withdraw, tap on the withdraw option, tap on it, and here's the thing that you have to put in the consideration. You must have the minimum of $10 in your wallet for you to be able to withdraw directly to your bank account. So once you have up to that, and make sure your account is fully verified before you can proceed with the withdrawal. So once you have up to $10 in your trading account, then you input the amount of money that you want to withdraw. Once you input it, then you have an option where you can transfer, where you can withdraw your money to. So just tap on withdraw to bank, so, or click on bank transfer. So when you tap on the bank transfer, then you input your bank details, then you proceed with the withdraw option, and that's it. If any video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.